The state government confirmed yesterday that there have been no reports of illegal immigration from Bangladesh. Chief Secretary D.P. Wak Lang stated that there have been no issues along the state's international border in the past 2 to 3 months. He emphasized that intelligence reports are regularly received about events across the border that could impact the state, and such information is shared with the BSF. Wak Lang also addressed recent reports of a drone sighting near the Saura-Shela border, stating that there is no specific information about the drone's purpose or why it was near the border.
In the border areas, we have not had any problems in the last, couple of months, 2-3 months. We have not received any adverse reports at all from the border. We are hoping that it will continue. The BSF is keeping a very strong vigil along the border, along with the help of the local Meghalaya police. We are keeping a tab on what is going on. We receive intelligence reports once in a while about what is happening across the border, anything which is likely to impact the state, and information is shared with the BSF. No, we don't have any reports of any illegal immigration at all from Bangladesh. I don't have any specific information about this, except that a drone was detected, but the specific technical evaluation of what was the drone doing and what is the strength, what data it was trying to capture, what data it was trying to analyze, we don't have that information at all with us.